video, we will learn some important JavaScript array methods and properties that are commonly used in web development. Array helps us to store multiple values in a single variable, and JavaScript provides many built-in methods to work with them efficiently. So our first method is JavaScript here array length. The length property of an array returns a number of elements in the array. It automatically updates as elements are added or removed. So लेंथ प्रॉपर्टी एरे के अंदर टोटल कितने एलिमेंट्स है ये बताता है. अगर एरे में नए एलिमेंट्स ऐड या रिमूव होते हैं तो लेंथ ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाता है. नाउ आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल. So here, if you can see, yeah. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So in array named A, there are 4 elements, and then I call A dot length. Length is basically array method. So my output will be 4. This is what array length do. So moving to next. JavaScript array to string method. The toString method converts the given value into the string with each element separated by commas. So toString method array के सारे elements को एक string में convert कर देता है और elements के बीच comma लगा देता है. Let's see with example. I'll give you an example. So here this is my array and value of my array was HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Okay, so I have used toString method which convert my array into a string. So now I am calling, I stored this in S variable. So now I am calling this, so my output will be my string HTML, CSS, JS and React. Suppose I just want to call array. So here my output is array because I am not using toString. I am just creating array and then calling it. And if I want to convert this array into string, then I just have to use toString array method. See, HTML, CSS, JS, React. सो toString का यूज़ करके हम जो हमारे एरे है उसको हम स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. So my third method is JavaScript array join method. So this join method creates and return a new string by concatenating all elements of an array. It uses a specific separator between each element in the resulting string. ज्वाइन मेथड एरे का एलिमेंट को जोड़कर एक स्ट्रिंग बनाता है और फिर अपनी चॉइस का सेपरेटर यूज करता है. सो लेट सी दैट एग्जांपल. आई एक्सप्लेन. लेट ए okay, so here if you want to, like, whatever you want you can use as a separator. आप अपनी चॉइस का सेपरेटर यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज सेपरेटर एज पर योर चॉइस. आई एम यूजिंग दिस एज सेपरेटर. You can use comma, you can use anything as separator. So if you can see here, so join क्या करता है, join हमारे एरे को, जो एरे है में एलिमेंट्स उसको जोड़कर एक स्ट्रिंग बना देता है एंड देन अपनी चॉइस का सेपरेटर यूज़ करता है. अपनी जैसे अगर मुझे यहाँ पे कॉमा यूज़ करना है एज अ सेपरेटर, सी. और इससे पहले जो हमने toString यूज़ किया था, इससे पहले हमने जो toString यूज़ किया है उसका, because I am using node so it is updating automatically. So here जब toString यूज़ किया and here जब हमने join यूज़ किया. So my next method is array delete operator. The delete operator is used to delete the given value, which can be an object array or anything. delete operator object array या किसी की प्रॉपर्टी को रिमूव करने के लिए यूज होता है. Let's see here with an example. Let employ first here it was first name, second name, salary, and then after that I have deleted employee salary. So after that deletion, my values of employee are just first name and second name, first name and second name. So यहाँ पे पहले मैंने employee name से बनाया and then उसमें कुछ value put किए first name, second name and salary, and then मैंने उसको delete method use करके उसका salary delete किया, then उसको कंसोल कराया, तो मेरा जो आउटपुट आया वो डिलीट होकर जस्ट फर्स्ट नेम एंड सेकेंड नेम आया। यहाँ पे सैलरी नेम से, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ सैलरी यूज़ किया तो जो सैलरी नेम सब्जेक्ट था उसकी प्रॉपर्टी डिलीट हो गई। So next is JavaScript concat method. The concat method is used to concatenate two or more arrays and it gives a merged array. So concat method दो या उससे ज़्यादा arrays को जोड़कर एक नया array बनाता है। Let's understand with example. So here my first array was 1 2 3, second A2 was 4 5 6, and then A3 was 7 8 9. Then I used concat method, which you can say that merge or combine A2 A1 with A2 and A3, and I stored that result in new array, new AR, which is basically new array. So after that I call it in console. So my output will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So my new array will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So let's move into the next. My next method is flat method, JavaScript array flat method. The flat method is used to flatten the array, that is it merges all the given array and reduces all the nesting present in it. So flat method nested array को एक सिंगल array में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। अभी हम एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे। Let's understand with example. Const A1 what is let me tell you what is nested array. Basically array inside an array. It is nested. Let's see. if you can see const a1, in a1 there are, this is basically nested array. So first array, second array, and then third array inside one array. So basically there are 3 arrays inside one array, so it is nested array. So what flat method do was it removes all the nested arrays and converts them into single level array. If you can see here in output, so nested ने क्या किया, जो मेरे array के अंदर बहुत सारे array था उनको nested को remove करके एक single array बना के flat method ने उस array को एक single array में बनाया infinity, जितना भी हो doesn't matter. So फ्लैट मेथड ने ये किया कि जितने भी मेरे नेस्टेड एरे थे उसको रिमूव करके एक सिंगल एरे बना के a2 में स्टोर किया, एंड देन मैंने a2 को कॉल किया. सो माय आउटपुट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So next method is array.push method. The push method is used to add an element at the end of an array. As array in JavaScript are mutable objects, you can easily add or remove elements from the array. So this is very important thing, that arrays in JavaScript are mutable. You can change. Immutable we can't change, but mutable we can change. So push method array के end में नए elements को add करने के लिए use होता है. Let's understand with an example. Let's take let a equals to 1 2 3. Okay. And then I want to add push. So first I created array named a and values are 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then I use push method because I want to add 5 at the last. Then again I use 6, the next push method in which I store 6 7 which I want to add in the last. Then I call array a. So my output will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So first it add 5 at the end, then it added 6 7 8 at the end. So that's it for today's JavaScript array tutorial. We learned about length, toString, join, delete, concat, flat and push methods. These are fundamental array operations that every JavaScript developer should know. Keep practicing these examples in VS Code, and you will become more comfortable working with arrays. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.